What will be your reaction if I tell you about machines and tools that will make your life 100x faster? From the sheer force of hydraulic presses to the precision of laser cutters, these innovative marvels are bound to leave a lasting impression. Number 8. Hydraulic press. This is hydraulic press. Did you know what a hydraulic press looked like? Joseph Bramah in 1795 invented the first hydraulic press, and the rest is history. Improvements in technology, design, and materials have led to substantial evolution since then. The enormous force that these devices can produce is sufficient to smash diamonds and other extremely hard materials. You might be surprised to learn that the world's biggest hydraulic press is capable of applying pressures of more than 100 million pounds per square inch. That's the same as the combined weight of 50,000 automobiles. However, how exactly do they function? Well, hydraulic presses can produce mechanical force by use of hydraulic pressure. They are capable of reaching pressures between 14,500 and 145,000 psi, or 1,000 to 10,000 bars. Because of this, they are ideal for a wide range of uses, including material testing and shaping metal. Number 7. CNC Machines. Our next stop is at CNC Machines. Although computer-controlled machines were initially introduced in the 1940s, they did not gain widespread use until the 1970s. These marvels of computer control are capable of extremely accurate precision cutting. Accuracy tolerances as fine as 0.001 mm, 0.00004 in, smaller than a human hair, can be achieved using CNC machines. When compared to more conventional forms of cutting, these machines' top speeds of 1000 mm per s, 3.3 feet per s, are staggering. The curious fact here is that creative industries also make use of CNC equipment to craft elaborate sculptures and designs. An astounding variety of products, from automobile components to dental implants, are manufactured using computer numerical control, CNC machinery. These remarkable machines have completely changed the way manufacturing is done. They make it possible to make intricate pieces much faster and with much more accuracy than before. In the following segment, we will delve into even more incredible devices, so be sure to stay tuned. Number 6. 3D printers. Now we come to 3D printers. In 1984, 3D Systems founder Chuck Hull created the first 3D printer. These machines can build intricate structures layer by layer, which has the potential to transform industries such as aerospace and healthcare. I bet you didn't realize that the biggest 3D printer in the world can print a whole house in a day. Well, you'll be ecstatic to hear that the Winson 3D printer, the biggest 3D printer in the world, can produce a whole house in a single day. It's quicker than the conventional ways of building. From small implants to large bridges and buildings, 3D printers can make it all. Using a 3D printer in space is the most fascinating thing that has happened so far. Printed tools and components can be found aboard the International Space Station, thanks to a 3D printer owned by NASA. Number 5. Laser cutters. One such interesting tool is the laser cutter. Although laser cutters were initially invented in the 1960s, they didn't gain widespread industrial use until the 1990s. To cut metal and glass with pinpoint accuracy, they employ powerful lasers. Laser cutters are perfect for complicated forms and designs because they can reach precision tolerances as small as 0.01 mm, 0.0004 in. With a maximum speed of 100 m per minute, 328 feet per minute, laser cutters significantly outpace more conventional cutting techniques. Safety features such as automatic shutoff, emergency stops, and protective enclosures are common on modern laser cutters. These help to prevent accidents. From spacecraft to cell phones, laser cutters are utilized in the creation of all sorts of things. These machines are just incredible examples of how far manufacturing technology has come. Number 4. Water jets. Metal, stone, and glass can all be cut and shaped with the help of water jets, which are machine tools that use high-pressure water jets. They have an uncanny knack for effortlessly crafting complex forms and designs with pinpoint accuracy. Extremely high pressures, usually ranging from 2,000 to 6,000 bars, are what allow water jets to function. The maximum speed that water jets are capable of cutting is 10 meters per minute or 33 feet per minute. For precise cutting, their accuracy tolerances of up to 0.01 mm, 0.0004 in, are suitable. Metallic, stone, glass, composite, and plastic materials are all within the cutting range of these jets. Because they do not produce any heat, water jets are ideal for cutting materials that are delicate to variations in temperature. When compared to more conventional cutting techniques, water jets are better for the environment because water is both a natural and safe cutting agent. Number 3. CNC Swiss Lathes. CNC Swiss Lathes are machines that can do both turning and cutting. Their name comes from the Swiss Alps, which are in a country with a long history of precision building and watchmaking. When the first Swiss machine was made in the 1800s, it changed both watchmaking and precision engineering in big ways. You can use these lathes to make parts with diameters as small as 0.1 mm, 0.004 in. They are great for use in aircraft, medical devices, and watch parts. CNC Swiss lathes are very useful because they can cut, turn, mill, and grind all in one. They can go as fast as 10,000 revolutions per minute, which lets them make complicated parts quickly. Because they can get as accurate as 0.001 mm, 0.00004 in, CNC Swiss lathes are great for jobs that need to be done perfectly. CNC Swiss lathes are used to make parts for musical instruments like trumpet valves and guitar tuning pins. Number 2. Electro Discharge Machining, EDM machines. Not only can EDM tools cut metals and alloys, but they can also cut ceramics, glass, and other non-conductive materials. Even though electrical discharge machining, EDM, wasn't invented until 1943, scientists knew about it in the 1700s when they saw that electrical sparks could wear away metal. The basic idea behind EDM machines is electro discharge cutting, in which material is worn away by a series of electrical sparks. EDM machines are great for working with materials that get damaged quickly when the temperature changes because they don't make any heat. Sparks that are made by electronic discharge cutting are very small, about 0.00004 mm, 0.000016 in diameter. Electric discharge machining, EDM machines can cut through solids at speeds of up to 10 mm per minute, 0.4 in min. They are fast and accurate. These facts show how interesting the world of EDM machines is. These machines have changed industry and precision engineering. Number 1. Robotics robots are finally here. George Devil made the first robot, called Unimate, in 1954. It was used on an assembly line at General Motors to put parts together. These smart gadgets can handle things that people can't do because they are too dangerous or hard. Robots are used in a lot of different fields, from manufacturing to healthcare to even space travel. Robots are used a lot in the industry sector to move things around, paint, and weld. Robots are very important in the healthcare business because they help with surgeries, care for patients, make rehabilitation therapy easier, and do lab tests. Robots are needed for everything in space travel, from putting together space stations to keeping satellites in good shape. These smart machines have changed whole businesses by making them safer, more efficient, and more productive. Their continued progress will have a big effect on the fields of work and research. This concludes today's video. We sincerely hope you had fun discovering these gratifying devices and clever technologies with us. Thank you for watching, and for more tech-related material, don't forget to like and subscribe.